Okay, so welcome back. This guys has blown up. Okay, over 922 nodes sold when I'm doing this video. This number just jumping every few minutes. This morning, few hours ago, was around couple of hundred, and now 900. Okay, let me tell you how much tokens we're going to earn today. Now, Galaxy engine, what the heck is this, right? I did a full update video yesterday. Go and watch. It's a little bit more in details. Okay, now I'm going to try to get the CEO for the AMA. Okay, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, because this project getting very hot. Now the question is how many tokens we're going to get and how much money we're going to make, because that's what the most people, that's the question what everybody asking me, and I'm going to answer your question. Now, this is not a token who is live, okay? It's a node right now. It's very similar to Delium and Sonorous. So they have the project with NFT, okay? With NFT. What's mean, if you check this out right here, give me a second. Right here, you will see down, let me just zoom in, look, they work with freaking Mike Tyson. They did NFT collection for Mike Tyson, okay? They did for this very famous guy, Steve Aoki, okay? Go and check them out, okay? Next one, they did NBA NFT, okay? These guys are from 2021, okay? The owner, he invented the first Bitcoin machine in Asia, all right? So it's going to tell you how big they are, okay? Now, what's very interesting is you will see they already sold over 200,000 NFT, 225,000 NFT. On the secondary market, they raised around 32 Ethereum, okay? So buy and sell and all this stuff. Number of cards sold over around 55,000. This is huge, okay? Go and check the video from yesterday. The today video is how much money we can make, okay? There we go. It's just growing up each time. 926 nodes. Now the tokens are going to send to us every day around 1 o'clock UTC time. Okay, now today is the first day, tomorrow is the second day. I was waiting for like 2 hours. I'm waiting now, but I spoke with one of the team member, and they say because it's the first day, so it can be a little bit laggy and sluggy, you know, and a little bit slow. So give it time. So tomorrow I'm going to do a new update video the day after, and I will let you know how many tokens exactly we get. But I will tell you according my math. So simple like that. So they're going to distribute. Okay, so this is my math, what they did, tokens every single day, 1.6 million, all right, 1.6, so 1.6 million tokens. Okay, there we go. At the moment we are 900 people, but I think they're going to cut around, I think it was around 800 people before for today. Okay, so that's up to 12. After 12 it's coming for tomorrow, but let's count divided by 922. Oh, sorry, 1.6 million. Okay, you divide by 922 nodes, we're going to get around 1,700 tokens each. Okay, this is every freaking day. Okay, now let me tell you how much money that's going to work. Now I'm going to compare with Delium, okay, with Delium and Sonorous. So they are very similar how they launch, okay, totally different project, totally different team, but I will give you my experience with them. With Delium, what's happening is, so this is Delium, who is very similar. So whatever they have their project, they come with the nodes, and then they have the token releasing in just few weeks time or couple of months time. It depends how the project going to go. Now Delium start from 0.03 cents, went all the way up to around, well, it's not a full data. Let me just go back. This was the top around 30 cents, 38 cents. Okay, so Delium went from 0.03 cents launching price all the way to 39 cents in the next 24 hours, and then dropped down and up and down, and now it's around 0.5 cents, keeping stable there. Okay, so it's not showing up full history on CoinGecko. So let me go back to the calculator. Okay, so we have 1,700, let's say, tokens today. All right, if you combine by 0.03 cents, we make 50 bucks just today. Okay, that's if it's the launching price. I'm putting around launching price, that's according to me. I don't know if what's going to happen, because Sonorous was the same, 50 bucks just today. Okay, just imagine if that 1,700 the first day went up to 20 cents. Okay, 0.2. okay, that's 340 bucks just today. Okay, couple of days time we did ROI. And is that going to happen? I don't know, I don't have the crystal ball now, but according to the history, Sonorous went, so Sonorous, the different similar project, When I say similar, I mean by the nodes, okay? So this bad boy went from 0.002 cents, 0.003 cents, okay, on KuCoin, all the way up to 19 cents, did around 7x in one day, all right? So pretty much the history can repeat again. Now, just remember, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research and do not put more money you can afford to lose, okay? Now, if you never, by the way, watch any of my video, like how I'm helping the poor people in the Philippines, India, and especially in India and also in Africa, make sure you watch. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. Now, let's go back how you can buy the node. So when you go to the website, okay, when you go to the website, you go here, this will be the link in the description, go buy now, all right? You put here the referral code, all right? The referral code is MEXCV1M, okay? The link will be in the description. You must use somebody referral code. Feel free to use mine or somebody else, okay? Or somebody else, whoever you want, and then you can get the node. Now, make sure you understand that the price is 777 USDT, but, and also it's good to be, by the way, to put some chain here that is on Polygon chain. So you must have some Matic on the chain, so for the fees, and the USDT you can bridge, okay, by change now using changenow.com, change now but IO I think, or you can send directly from some central exchange like Binance, KuCoin, or any other exchange directly Matic to Matic chain in your MetaMask or Arabi wallet. Okay, so this is how hot it is. I don't think people will, let's see how many there, 928. What, they were just sold a couple of nodes while I'm doing this video in 6 minutes. This is crazy, okay? Now, I was hoping it's not going to be sold so many because I want to get more tokens, because I delayed with Delium and Sonorous, okay? I still did great with Delium. I think I'll do well with Sonorous, but it's going to take me a little bit longer. That's why I want to be day number 1, okay? That's why I'm dropping this video. Do your research. Make sure you understand the risk. It's crypto, okay? But I think this one can have a great potential for the future, okay? Once there are 10,000 sold, the price will increase to 999, and then they will be increasing every 10 bucks, okay? For every, I think, 100 or 200 sold. Watch the video from yesterday for full updates. Okay, look, I just refreshed the page. 930. This is just blowing up, all right? I'm just saying, I delay again with Delium. When I joined, I was earning 140 tokens a day, I think 130, 120, and then I went down to like 50 tokens because, you know, people bought like over 11,000 nodes. In Sonorous, I was start earning around 100 to 105 a day, okay? Still I delay, but today I'm going, for this couple of days, I'm going to earn the same what I earned for Sonorous and Delium for almost a month. Here is going to take me like 2 days or maybe 3 days, okay? If I was earning around 100 tokens a day there, 110, in 1 month is around what, 3,300, and here I can earn probably in 2 days time or maybe 3 days time. All right, thank you so much. Hope you understand. God bless. Goodbye.